Some La Crosse area schools are already back to in-person learning, while others are preparing to welcome students back to the classroom soon. And nurses say that COVID cases are expected with in-person learning.
And that means adequate contact tracing is crucial. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe explains the process some schools follow to limit COVID spread as much as possible.
West Salem school students returned to class just last week. Right now, there's some good news to share.
We do not currently have any current students with any COVID infection.
But District Nurse Beth Clemens says many are close contacts to cases outside the school.
And so they're on quarantine.
That's when schools go to work to contact trace any exposures.
When we learn more, we do more.
Definitely a busy job. They are busy.
Ami Zabrowski, Director of Student Services at La-Crosse Schools, says a team of 2 school nurses contact trace any students or staff exposed to the virus.
Obviously, right now we don't have many students in our buildings, so we anticipate that the needs may increase.
Clemens does most of the contact tracing at West Salem.
And each school is different.
Schools handle the majority of the contact tracing.
And then pass that information along to the county, who at times will follow up based on additional information that they may have.
Schools notify family members of the close contacts by phone.
Sometimes there is a level of just trying to find there's just some frustration there, which is understandable.
But Clemens says usually everyone is understanding.
We're there for them as a resource for health-wise or any questions during their quarantine.
Both schools realize with more students means the likelihood of more contact tracing.
We've exercised those muscles, and each time it gets to be a little bit easier.
This is Tyler Jobe, News 8 Now.
What choice do we have but to move forward?
La Crosse County.
And Clemens says all COVID positive cases in the West Salem schools did not originate on district grounds. Zabrowski says very few, if any, positive cases came from inside La Crosse school buildings.